Select the game object you would like to animate. Go to Window, Animation, Animation window, or Control-6, left-click. This opens your animation window. Dock it wherever suits you. To animate the object, we must first create an animation clip. Press Create on the window to create your first clip. Find somewhere suitable to save your clip. You now have an animation clip open in your timeline. Press Record here to create new animation keyframes. I'm going to move to 1 second and modify the rotation of my game object to create a new animation keyframe. Unity automatically creates the keyframe and interpolation between the starting point and finishing point. Press the spacebar on the timeline to test your clip. Press play on the game scene to watch it in action. By default, your clip will loop. If you want to turn this off, select Clip in your asset window and turn off loop time.